First of all, thank you all, and secondly, thank you for being a part of the Citizens Academy. Right, what you all do helps us not only get better, but it helps us spread the word about some of the things that we do, both internally and externally to Fulton County as a whole.
I love talking to members of the public. One of the biggest problems that law enforcement has with the public is the knowledge and familiarity gap. We don't talk to the public very well, and sometimes the public doesn't want to listen to us. Maybe there's a gap there that shouldn't be there, and I'm here to bridge that. The Marshal's office is a special purpose law enforcement agency. We have a special responsibility for the courts. Specifically, we work for the state and the magistrate court of Fulton County. We're their executive arm, we're their executing arm. We're responsible for the execution of their writs, civil writs and orders, including but not limited to the eviction writs that everybody knows us for, service of civil process, execution of arrest warrants, as well as the protection of the judges and everyone else in the court through our court security role.
So Fulton County Police, we cover a vast area, 72 miles north to south. In that comes special operations, patrol in the Fulton Industrial Corridor, building security, as well as dignitary protection. For citizens to help us within the community is consider us all one, coming together to create that partnership so that we can work hand in hand every day.
For one, I decided to participate in Fulton County Citizens University to really expose myself to local government and dive into the knowledge of what it takes to operate local government and what it takes as a citizen to benefit and also educate others for local government.
Oh, the law enforcement course tonight was excellent. I really appreciate the presenters and the information that they shared that we may not have been necessarily aware of, but all of the presenters have been great. Not just the law enforcement, but just this whole experience of learning more about Fulton County, its departments, and programs that they have to offer.
As a community advocate, learning more about law enforcement and how they represent the community, how they help community, really shows, in Atlanta and Fulton County, how we can improve or how we can make it, better, or how we can educate our fellow citizens and the youth in our community about law enforcement. Really bridging that gap between law enforcement and the community and just making it a little bit easier for them.